Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best toilet bowl cleaners that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This powerful formula not only has the chemical composition to power through tough stains, but it's also a clinging gel that stays on the dirt until it eliminates it. It's capable of powering through even the toughest of stains, including dirt, grime and soap scum messes that may exist within the bowl. Packaged in an angled bottle, this formula can be used to reach even inaccessible areas of the toilet bowl, so the user can be confident when they use it. And this product not only cleans but also disinfects and deodorizes with the ability to kill 99.9% of all bacteria and a nice country-inspired scent. Lysol Cling Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaner Country Scent Twin Pack cleans as it disinfects and leaves a fresh, clean scent. Thick formula coats the bowl above and below the waterline. The angled bottle targets hard-to-reach areas, including under the rim, to leave your entire toilet bowl sparkling clean. Moving on at number 4, we have Method Antibacterial Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Method Toilet Bowl Cleaner is unlike any cleaner that you're likely to have ever seen before. This non-toxic and biodegradable formula is derived from natural ingredients and is capable of easily powering through dirt, grease, and grime. It uses the natural power of a pure citric acid to eliminate up to 99.9% of all household germs and can even kill viruses such as the rhinovirus, Staphylococcus aureus, and the influenza flu virus. And since this product has never been tested on animals and is packaged in 100% recycled bottles, it's not only a powerful cleaner but also an environmentally one as well. 24 ounces antibacterial toilet bowl cleaner, spearmint, depends on citric acid to purge dirt and germs, kills 99.9% of household germs, including influenza, a flu virus, Staphylococcus aureus, rhinovirus, Salmonella enteric, on hard, non-porous surfaces. At number 3, we have 7th generation toilet bowl cleaner, using a plant-based formula that enables it to maintain a 97% USDA certified bio-based product rating. This toilet bowl cleaner is the green product choice for many people. It's made without any dyes or fragrances and doesn't contain chlorine or ammonia. This product is completely biodegradable and is safe for all septic systems. It has also been certified cruelty-free by the Leaping Bunny organization, so consumers can rest assured that no animals were harmed to test the effectiveness of this product. And all of this adds up to make this a product that is a great cleaner for responsible households. At number 2, we have Greenworks Toilet Bowl Cleaner, Toilet Gel Cleaner. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a bunch of harsh chemicals to maintain a clean toilet, and few products prove this point better than this one. It's manufactured using natural ingredients and is not only safe for all septic systems but contains no bleach in its formulation. It has a fragrance that's derived from plant oils and is powerful enough to power through everything from hard water stains to mineral deposits and even rust. This product formula is never tested on animals and uses packaging that uses post-consumer recycled materials whenever it can. All of which makes it a great choice for people looking to go green with their cleaning regimen. And finally at number 1, Frosch Lemon Toilet Bowl Cleaner. People who believe that you have to sacrifice cleaning power in order to remain environmentally responsible has evidently never tried this product. That's because this product is formulated using all natural lemon extracts so that it's not only an extremely powerful toilet bowl cleaner but is also very environmentally friendly. This German-made product has an EU Ecolabel certification, is never tested on animals and is a 100% vegan toilet cleaner. Yet it's capable of removing dirt, soap scum, urine scale, hard water stains and all types of grime. Frosch Lemon Toilet Cleaner is a fast, strong and efficient natural cleaner for your toilet bowl. Formulated with citric acid, our toilet bowl cleaner removes calcium deposits, lime scale, and even urine scale, rinsing clean and leaving behind a fresh lemon scent. Now since it's available in the US, just about anyone can enjoy. Germany's most trusted cleaning brand is voted by Reader's Digest for many years.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.